Nakisa would like to announce all of the new developments in our latest version of Hanelly. In this version, we listen to your feedback. The application is easier to use, and several features that previously required assistance from our professional services team have now been placed in your hands. This can make implementations faster and easier, reducing both the cost and time of new deployments and upgrades. Let's dig in, shall we? We made some changes to the main part of the application, so now the menus and org charts are a little simpler to use, and it's easier for your users to find their custom-added graphs in the dashboard. We also added new analytics for headcount variance, turnover variance, and turnover rates. We've also added the ability to change the default currency, so you're no longer limited to displaying only in US dollars. The first new feature we're going to highlight is the ability to add custom fields. While Hanelly offers a wide range of data fields out of the box, if you need a field that isn't in our out-of-the-box configuration, you can now add it in the Custom Field Creator. You can add numeric fields, text fields, description fields for even longer text items, yes/no Boolean fields, and date fields. After adding the field, you need to determine which of your user groups will have access to the data in the new field, and then upload the data for it into Hanelly using the Excel template that we provide. The next feature is the ability to create new org chart views. There are 2 new view templates for each view type, to which you can add out-of-the-box fields, your custom fields, and employee portraits. Next up, custom dashboards. Now you may remember from our previous versions that individual users could create custom dashboards, but those dashboards were only available to the user who created them. Now administrators can create a dashboard that's available to all of your authorized users. Now by default, when you add a custom field to your Hanelly implementation, that field is added as a sorting option in the filter panel that appears on the left-hand side of the main application. When adding a numeric field, you have the option of choosing how that sorting takes place. If you set a term value, the application will sort based on the terms you set here, similar to how our application can already sort on 1 to 5 stars for performance and potential. Alternatively, you can set ranges so that your sorting can be based on groupings that you establish, such as generational segments or salary ranges. The final new feature, and perhaps the coolest to me, is the ability to add a custom matrix security role. In prior releases, we provided a matrix security role based on location, which allowed some management and HR level users to view secured data for other employees who were in the same region they occupied. With this release, you can create security roles based on almost any field in the system, including your new custom fields. So if you need your managers and HR users to see secured data based on city or controlling area, or even something like job type, you can now configure that from the admin console. Now, if you're interested, be sure to check out our next video where I show you how to use some of these new features. I'll be showing you how to add a custom field, and then add that custom field to a custom view. In the interim, we hope you are as excited about this new release as we are. If you have any questions or need any further information, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at 1-855-5-NAKISA or info@nakisa.com. Thanks, and hope to see you soon.